Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the best 5 luxury bags to start your collection. The different styles that you need and my favorites of those 5 styles, just to give you a little bit of inspiration, you know what I mean? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie. I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. Sorry, when are we going to rehab? Never. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's go. So the first kind of bag that I think is the best bag for starting out has to be multi-use. This is most likely probably going to be a bag that you can use for work and play. You know, get you a girl that can do both, you know? My suggestion here, my Louis Vuitton artsy GN details will be below. So why do I suggest this one? I love the Never Full, but it's a little bit more closed, you know, so we don't want any wandering hands. I also really prefer the one really thick, durable handle. I am always like a little bit worried with my Never Full that like, the handles are skinny. Is like something gonna happen? Is she gonna snap unexpectedly? Definitely not an issue with this bad girl. So I am just a huge fan. Coated canvas, she is durable. She is gonna work for all those work days. She's great for travel. I'm taking her on my next trip. We're gonna have a great time together. The second kind of bag I will call the weekend bag. This is the bag that come 5 o'clock on a weekday or come the weekend, this little bad thing is out, okay? This is gonna be a bag that's smaller than your everyday bag, okay? Smaller than a work bag because you don't need to carry as much with you, but still needs to be able to fit in the essentials. Also, we still want a level of versatility, okay? This is bag number 2, right? We still need a little bit of day to night, so how about we have something that has 2 handle options? This Chanel bag, which was from the Spring/Summer 19 collection in this glorious cobalt blue with this amazing antique gold brushed gold looking handle with the 2 resin links there and then the canvas strap that makes an incredible crossbody. She is everything I have ever wanted in a bag. Now, why I think that something like this is a perfect weekend bag is you've got a fun colour. Fun colour, but goes with everything. The third type of bag that I would suggest one adds to one's luxury collection is what I'm going to call the casual bag. Something a little bit fun, a little bit trendy, something that's going to be great for travel. My suggestion here is a belt bag. This is the Gucci Supreme GG belt bag. All of the links of the bags I mentioned will be below. And why I would suggest this is it's durable, it's super trendy, but it's definitely a style that's gonna stand the test of time. Why I would think a casual bag is something great on a holiday, something like a belt bag, it's kept to the chest. We don't need any wandering hands on holiday, okay? Stealing our identities and whatnot. This is such an easy just throw on and go. All of a sudden she elevates your outfit because, oh, is that just a little pop of the gooch? Just a little pop of the gooch, you know what I mean? Bag number 4 to add to your luxury collection. This is where I would say that, you know what? Just bite the bullet and go for a trendy bag. Go for a bag that sings to your soul. And my best example of that is my good old Dior saddle bag. If you didn't already know, I have a number of videos related to this bag, but basically I'm living my best 11-year-old self's dream because I saw this on Paris Hilton and I was like, bitch, I want to be her. And then it went away and then it finally came back and I was like, Cassie, take your chance, live your best simple life, flex. Bag number 4, you know, you've ticked all the essentials. You've got day to night, you've got casual and formal, you have got it all. Now we can start to say, you know what? Yes, you just sing to my soul. Bag number 5. So this is the space I have dedicated for the icons. Now, I have put the icons here because once you get an icon bag, you only want more icons. The icons are the ones that, you know, you start putting antifreeze in your sugar daddy's tea every so often, just waiting for him to drop dead and give you his inheritance. Those are the kind of bags I'm talking about. I'm talking about Birkins, Kellys, Chanel Jumbo Classic, any Chanel Classic, even a Chanel boy bag. The icons are reserved for your absolute upper echelon classics. Let me know your thoughts, okay? Because I know people that do this video, we all have a different reasoning for why the numbering should be the way it is. Let me know. Let me know if I've missed anything out, or if you would say, actually no, I would go for an icon first, and then let's move on from there. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Come and join us in our luxury addicted family. We would love to have you join. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I shall see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.